Alright, got the lawnmower. Got the Lawnmower Tornado 51S from Stiga. Great piece of equipment if you need to cut the grass. Got the carburetor. Got the pump for the gas to flood the carburetor. Pushing it 3 times according to specifications. Push to prime. Great price, good value from the shop down the road. This baby is a 4.5 horsepower lawnmower. Got the string to start it with. See if we can bring she out, fire she up.